Welcome to our visual Porto City tour. I'm Julia and I'm your guide for today. We're gonna visit the most important sites of Porto. Let's start with the Mercado do Bulhão. The Mercado do Bulhão offers almost everything, from fresh fish and seafood to all kinds of meat, but flowers as well. There is also the possibility to eat in the market. Now we are on our way to the famous shopping street of Santa Catarina. In the pedestrian area are always heaps of people. The shopping street offers everything from the luxury stores up to all casual clothing shops. Now we walk through the Rua 31 de Janeiro and we are heading our first church, the Igreja dos Congregados. The church was built at the end of the 17th century and as you can see it has the famous blue-white Portuguese tiles. Now going on to our next highlight, the Torre dos Clérigos. The Torre dos Clérigos is the highest bell tower in Portugal with 225 steps. It is possible to visit it and it conducts also as a tourist viewpoint. Next to the tower we find the famous library Lelo. It is considered as the most beautiful library in Europe. Today is a beautiful day to do a visual city tour, isn't it? Now going on to the center of the city. It is called Avenida dos Olhados and it's the location for the City Hall of Porto. The City Hall was built between 1920 and 1957. And the tower is 70 meters high. Our next stop is the Sé do Porto, the city cathedral. The cathedral is one of the city's oldest monuments and one of the most important Romanesque monuments in whole Portugal. Now we're gonna move to the other side of the bridge, but before we enjoy the beautiful view from the bridge over the Douro River. Now we reach the viewpoint in Gaia towards Porto. This picture is the most famous one of Porto. The colorful houses, which you can see next to the river, are registered as World Heritage by the UNESCO. Now we are going down to see the bridge Ponte de Dom Luís de Primeiro. The bridge was dedicated on the 31st of October in 1886 by King Louis I. It is 385.25 meters long and connects Porto with Gaia. Now we are going towards the UNESCO World Heritage, Ribeira. Ribeira is one of the must-sees in Porto. It is really popular among tourists. There are several restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy the beautiful view of the River Douro. Last but not least, we're gonna visit the famous train station of São Bento. Let's go! The historical train station is famous for the blue and white tiles, which show scenes from the Portuguese history. Now we reached our finish. I hope you enjoyed the visual Porto City tour. I wish you a wonderful day in our wonderful city.